This is the Arrowhead Brass PK6010 stem kit for the 450 series faucets. Now this is the PK6010, so it is for a 10-inch thick wall. If we can get this thing out of the packaging here, you can see it'll come with the complete stem assembly, as well as a short little list of instructions here. Now when taking measurements of these stems, you want to keep in mind that this check assembly, this little rubber piece on the end, will move in and out of the body. When taking the measurement, you want to make sure that it is pressed all the way into the body. We'll lay this down here. So we can lay it that way. Alright. So we can see when measuring, you measure from tip to tip, so the end of the check assembly here to where the handle attaches here. We'll lay it this way. You can see it measures right at about 14 inches. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK6010 stem kit.